This is the Northwest Training Development Team and Pathways Coronavirus Update. Today's update is about the new national restrictions announced by government. On Saturday, the Prime Minister announced that there will be extra restrictions across the whole of England from this Thursday, the 5th of November, for at least 4 weeks. The government has told us to stay at home. This is because the number of people catching the virus across the whole of England is increasing quickly. Staying at home will help to stop the coronavirus from spreading. This is not the news that any of us wanted to hear, but we'll carry on working together across the Northwest so that we stay connected and keep each other safe. Stay at home means we can only leave home for specific reasons. These are for childcare or education, like school or university or college, for work or volunteering, if our work is open and if we can't work from home, to exercise outdoors or visit an outdoor public space, like a park or a beach. We can leave home for any medical reason, like an appointment or an emergency, or if something is happening at home that means you might get hurt. We can go for our basic shopping, like for food and medicine, and we can visit members of our support bubble, or we can go to get support or provide support for someone else. We are only allowed to meet up with people we live with or are in a support bubble with in our homes and gardens or in any indoor space. We can only meet up with one person outside who we don't live with. This could be to exercise in a public park or a beach. We cannot meet up with anyone outside our household or support bubble in our gardens. We must keep our social distance from people we don't live with. This means keeping 6 feet or 3 steps away from anyone we don't live with or are in a support bubble with. In situations where we can't keep this far apart, we must take steps to keep each other safe. For example, we might wear a face covering if we're able to. Some places will have to close again. These include all non-essential shops like clothes shops and electronics stores, indoor and outdoor leisure facilities like bowling alleys, leisure centres and gyms, and sports facilities and swimming pools, entertainment venues like theatres and cinemas and museums, personal care services like hairdressers, beauty salons and spas. Pubs, bars, restaurants and cafes will have to close except for providing takeaway services. The government will make a full list of all the places that must close. The places that can stay open must take steps to keep people safe from catching the virus. Government has announced that there will be new national restrictions affecting the whole of England from this Thursday, the 5th of November. Government has told us to stay at home, except for specific reasons. There are more restrictions on meeting up with people again, and more places will have to close. We will make more videos this week to share more information about the restrictions.